Hey guys, I'm your tech consultant and you are watching my official YouTube channel. And we are studying the tools that are used to heal a picture. So you can see this is old picture and there are various spots on which this picture is damaged. So what we are going to do, we are going to restore it as original. So what we are going to do, we are using another tool used for spot for healing the image, that is called the healing brush tool. And we will click on the healing brush tool. So there are two methods. Either we can directly edit this picture from here, but we can just go to create another layer for better visualization of our changes. So we will click here and I will convert this layer into the layer 0 and I will add another layer on it, and this layer will be used as adjustment layer. So this is the you can see the menu for that brush tool, healing brush tool, and here you can select size and hardness and spacing. You can select from here. You can select its mode from here, and here are the settings that will appear. But we will not check selecting these today. We will be studying in advanced courses, so just let it as it is and we will use this thing. Sample should be from all layers. This thing is must. You have to select this as a compulsory option. You can say you cannot work without that on that layer. So what we are going to do, so let me tell you about this tool. What we have to do, we have to select a sample size, and similarly we can reduce the brush size. Similarly we can reduce the brush size if I will select on the left bracket key, left bracket key to reduce the size and right bracket key to increase the size. And what we will do, we will select a sample from the vicinity of that image. Like if I can see that this tone is similar with that, so I can select a sample from here. I can just reduce it a little bit more, and then what we will do, we will do alt and click, and our sample has been selected. Now if I will use this brush, remove this we can remove this spot. So we can select, but always select a new by pressing alt from the vicinity, then we will apply on it and we can correct this image. Like if I am pressing alt and I have selected, and then I will use this brush to remove these parts. So I will click alt and take sample, and then I will correct this. Sample collection, and then I will move it very carefully on that spot, and we can just remove this image very easily. So we can remove this image. I have selected only that area, but for better results you have to select the area from the vicinity. So you can see we have made lot of the changes, and and the picture has been restored a little bit, so we can use this method to reduce restore. You can use this to restore that area too. You can select sample here and make it more better, so you will be having a very good and